that? What have you started?
I just had to wind you up.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to stay local and we're going to the market at Torrevieja. It's only over the road, well, a little bit over the bridge. It's about a mile and a half, isn't it? And it's open every Friday between 8 and 1.
We think so.
We think so. At the moment, I think it's 8 and 1. So what's on the shopping list?
Fruit and veg mainly.
Fruit and veg. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget the pink garlic.
Oh yeah, definitely pink
That's
garlic.
recommended from Andy and T.Co, Andy and Helen.
Yeah.
Details in the description below. Nice channel. And they buy a lot of stuff, don't they?
Yeah, we're not buying that much.
They buy a lot of meat
we can't carry that much on our bikes.
No.
We can carry a lot, but
They can eat them guys.
them steaks.
See the size of them?
Yeah.
12 quid each, won't they?
I know. Yeah.
Anyway, what else do we need?
Some socks. You'll need some socks, because look at the state of these.
What's wrong with them?
Look, what's this? Have you seen the state of them?
They're all right.
They've lost the elastic, they're baggy,
They're a bit baggy.
they're dirty,
Oh, I'll miss them. I've had them 10 years, them.
the smell.
No.
They're going in bin. You do need some socks though, because it is cold at night.
Yeah, it's getting a bit nippy now.
Yeah, your little feet get cold, don't they?
This time of year, it's still about 23, 24 during the day in the sunshine, but at night time it does get a little bit nippy now. So it's going down to 16.
Yeah.
That's cold, isn't it? It's cold for us, for us old ones.
You.
Anyway, let's crack on.
Yeah.
Come on. Off to market. So just coming off the walkway, and this brings us out onto the cycle track. We're going to get off here and cross on foot on the zebra crossing. We're going to go past our local supermarket. Let's have a quick look at the Hyperbear. Cycle track's a little bit on the narrow side here. If you can call it a cycle track, I think it is marked off for pedestrians and cyclists. And you might be able to see the theatre, the Torrevieja theatre is just in front of us there. Very, very nice theatre. It's a good old workout up this hill. Yvonne storming in front. And there's the N332 over the top. Boom! Downhill, lovely. Now we're coming to the market. And the marketplace is just down here on the left. Now then, we found some socks, haven't we, look?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Nikes. They're three socks, 150.
Isn't it?
Oh, that's pretty good, that. I want white. I like lovely clean white socks, mate. Shoe size. You're English, UK shoes?
8.
Oh, 8.
Size 8.
Okay.
43.
43.
43 is 8.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I mean, stretched, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, we.
You want that one?
Yes, sí. Gracias.
Gracias.
Okay, gracias. Adiós. I'm happy with 10 euro. Okay, 10 euros. Sí. Gracias. Okay, thank you. Una.
1.25.
Gracias. Sí. Gracias.
$1.80, guane. Gracias, señor.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Adios. I'm all sweaty.
Sweaty Betty.
Look at my shirt. Come right through now. That just shows how warm it is. What is it? October the
really warm
30th today. Isn't it? October the 30th.
Yeah.
And look at our goods and wares that we've just bought from the market.
Yeah.
What have we got?
We've got fruit and veg. We've got carrots and broccoli.
Carrots. Look at this broccoli here. How much would you pay for that in Sainsbury's?
But you'd paid nearly £2 for that.
Yeah. And what did we pay for it?
I don't know, you paid. What were it?
About 80 cents.
We've got peppers, red peppers,
Peppers.
tomatoes and onions. We've got bananas and oranges.
And I bought some shoes. They're dead light.
I know.
10 euros.
You got some socks.
Got some socks.
6 pairs.
6 pairs of socks.
So I'm going to have a
I
clear
can't
out.
see the difference between them and my old socks though, to be fair.
I'm going to have a clear out in your drawer. So these that we were looking at earlier on, you know where these are going now, don't you?
In my drawer?
In the bin. In the bin.
No.
In the bin.
So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. It's a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Wait a minute.
Adios.
Adios.